What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. Well, today was a day is if you tried to play the data, you probably got your rear hole open straight up and bent the fuck over. Okay. And here's why. Look, there is no good news out there. There hasn't been no good news the whole year. Fed's been raising rates. Things are more expensive. Credit is more expensive. Okay. Consumer savings are down. Consumer credit is high as it's been. Gas is fucking high. We're on the brink of war, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, I can go on and on and on and on and on and on. The market shouldn't even be fucking open right now. Okay. It should be at zero. It should be at negative 5,000. Stop trying to play the fucking news. Okay. And just play the goddamn fucking reaction. Here's why. Why should you have just played the reaction? What level have we said over and over and over and over is a buy? If we get down to 395.96, that's a buy. If we get up here, right, to 40, we've been saying 403, 405, 406. 406 is a fade. Perfect. That's all you needed to see, right? CPI positive, but we are positive. Still above 7% It's not positive. But we rip. Where do we fade? 4 fucking 10. Play your fucking levels. That's it. Play the goddamn levels and you'll be okay. You're not a fucking macroeconomist. You're a trader. You're a reactor. You don't give a fuck what the news says. You really just care about how the market reacts. Well, the market reacted in a way where it didn't like what Powell had to say, but where did it still bounce from? It bounced from a level that was a buy zone for us. 396 was a buy zone. And it bounced. And look where it held. Pretty much 400. Go figure. Okay. Play the chart, not your heart. It doesn't matter what Powell had to say. Because it was 0.5 and we still went down. Everybody on Twitter, their fucking mothers were texting them, 0.5 and we ripping this and that, and the Fed's going to pivot. Blah, blah, blah. It didn't fucking matter today. Today, you learned the market doesn't give a fuck about what you have to think. The market doesn't give a fuck about what anyone else says. The market does whatever the fuck it wants to do. You had to learn that the hard way today. If you try to play the data. So don't play the data. Play the chart, not your heart. We knew if we broke 400, that 396.95 was our level to play a bounce off. If you played that, you played it pretty fucking good because you bounced almost 5 points from there. Great. But here's the thing. You could have just played the IV run up with us. Okay. There was a super tight range that we had. Okay. Going into FOMC. If you saw it up here. Okay. Super tight range. Here was our double bottom. You would have taken calls there. Okay. Some of us took puts in the fluff and we still made 20%. Great. What happened after? It didn't really even fucking matter. Didn't matter. Didn't care. Would you want to play this? Look at this. I mean, look at that. Look at these wicks. Look at the. I don't want to play that shit, so I don't give a fuck. Okay, on till tomorrow. That's enough of the goddamn TED Talk I need to give for you guys. Stop thinking you're some macroeconomist. You're not. You're a trader. You don't give a fuck. You play the chart, not your heart. Okay, that's it. So now tomorrow is simple. As long as 400 holds, okay, as long as 400 holds, we're likely going to revisit 305, 306. I'm sorry, 400, 403, 406, 408, 410. That's the levels above. Here's my only thing about today. Yes, the Fed was hawkish. Yes, the Fed said we're going to continue to raise it. Yes. It said all that stuff. And we still couldn't break out of this range we're still in. We still couldn't get below 390. Realistically, we couldn't even get below 396, let alone 393 is a huge fucking level. Okay, so what does that mean for tomorrow? As long as any backtest of 396 holds, we go to 400. 400 holds, we go to 403, 406, 408, 410, 411, 12. Above there, okay, we get up here to 419, 420. Now, for me, previous day's high could be a short. A better short is 410, but even then, I'm not in love. Why? It's been tested twice now. It's been tested twice now. Okay. So for me, tomorrow is as long as 396 or 400 holds overnight, you'll want to take calls on a dip and take them up to 403, 406, 408, 410. Okay. There will be some turbulence here at 405, 406. The better short is 410. That is the safer short. Okay. Because the third touch of that will likely have an initial reject. Okay. But for tomorrow, I'm looking for 396 or 400 to hold to likely take calls. Really just depending where the overnight action holds, though, or opens up at. Right now, we're down 1.5, 1.5 handles. Okay. We're barely down at all. Alrighty. So for tomorrow, I'm looking for 400 to hold if we open above it. If we don't, I would love the long previous day's high, which is 396. I like that long better, and I like the 410 short better. Tomorrow, we might not get either of those levels. I have no idea. After today's fuckery and sorcery that went on, I would much rather let the market settle the fuck it down before I hop into anything, to be honest. I'd really only like the long 396. And I like the short 410. If we don't get either of those tomorrow, I might not even fucking trade. I'm being honest with you. After the whipsaw action we had today, let the market settle down. Let the market show you where the fuck it wants to go. Okay. This trend line here that's now at 405 is something to be reckoned with. Why? First attempt at it, second attempt at it, both huge fails. Okay. It is to be respected. So that's why I said look at 406 to 408 area as a possible short. Okay. But even then, I will probably be sitting on my hands for the first 30 minutes tomorrow to let the market fucking digest the move. Okay. So look, spark notes of this whole thing. You're not an economist. You're a trader. You're a reactor. You are not a fortune teller. You don't give a fuck about what the news says. All you care about is the goddamn reaction. Okay. That's it. Okay. So tomorrow, wake up early. Know we have jobless numbers. Okay. Map your fucking levels from the day before. Don't do anything fucking stupid. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.